Good morning. We are heading to Pumpkin Run. Been thrashing on this Flexus, but I finally got it to the point where it can go. So here we go. All right, we got everything loaded up. We are gonna head over to where I have the Hulk staged, pick that up, and then head to the fairgrounds. Wish me luck. So far, so good. Car seems to be driving great. It drives so nice. It drives like a Lexus. It's weird. I don't get it. And I had a weird problem this morning. My passenger seat heater got turned on. I hate when my heated seat gets turned on in my 62 Ford Falcon. I'm gonna have to fix that. So I have noticed one slight little issue. It's with the right rear. The tire seems to rub on some of the modifications I did right around that rear quarter panel. It's that step for the rear door. I'm gonna have to modify and give some more clearance on that. I thought I gave it enough, but kind of hear that rub a little bit. It's not a hard rub, but it's definitely there. I don't want it to cut a sidewall. And I don't know if it's showing up on video, but this front windshield is one of the worst front windshields I have ever seen. I mean, I knew it was bad and it needed replaced, but actually trying to drive it with this windshield, it's terrible. It's got scratches from the windshield wipers. It's, you know, separating and fogging at the bottom, but then it looks like somebody literally took sandpaper to it and like rubbed it up and down it. It is horrible. Which, all the glass in this car is in rough shape. Nice looking 68 Camaro. All right, I'm pulling into where the Hulk is at. We're just a few minutes from the fairground, so we're just gonna grab the truck and head over there. Well, hello there, gorgeous. All right, how about a cold start on the Hulk? Jump pack. All right, let's try this. I'm in the Hulk. Wifey's driving the Falcon, the Flexus, and we are heading to the fairgrounds. Be there in like 2 minutes. Alrighty. So here's something crazy too. The Falcon is the first vehicle that I've built that my wife has driven. She hasn't even driven the Hulk yet. So kind of just threw her into it this morning, but she's taking it like a champ. So, love you, babe. go. And we are at the pumpkin run. Find where the rest of our group's parked up. Oh, hey, they shaved this hill down. They used to scrape coming through here. That's cool. Alrighty, pulling up to our group parked up here. Figure out where we're going to park. All right, we're all parked up for the moment. Well, we got the cars all parked up. And at some point, I'll probably cruise the Hulk around, cruise the Falcon around a little bit, see what people think of it. But we got great weather so far and enjoying the show. Mark's like, everybody's looking at me now. This is why we can't have nice things.
That's why he doesn't do a nice paint job. That's why he doesn't do a nice paint job.
I'll send the fairground a bill for leveling out the ground for him. I probably should, when I'm done, raise it up and get all the gravel out from underneath it. Bust out a bunch of people's
bounce back
windshields.
it up and down.
Yeah. I need a shovel. I got another rewrite.
On you found a new friend. Yeah, Hot Rock Rod, yeah. Yep. I thought there was, man. Looks good, brother.
See you, bye.
All right, so we're on to the third day now of the show. Spent the day yesterday hanging out with family and friends and cruising the Flexus and the Hawk around. And then we went back to the campgrounds where my family was all staying. Had a nice little hobo stew and just hung out until it started raining last night. Today it's looking kind of overcast and they're calling for some rain here and there, but we're just gonna make the best of it. We're gonna head over to the fairgrounds now and just kind of hang out until the end of the show when they do awards. And they also, today is when they do the giveaway car. And if you don't know, they give away a car every year at the pumpkin run. Every entry that you have with a car that you enter, it puts you in the drawing to win the car. So it's like a 32 Ford Roadster, I think, this year. Fun fact, my mom has won it twice, which is unheard of in the history of the show. So, all right guys, we're gonna head over to the show. I looked over there for a side view mirror.
Yep.
There was no side view mirror.
There's one right there.
Are we in Pumpkin Run? Are we at Pumpkin Run?
Yes, we are. So we're just now pulling in and realizing it is very empty today, but that's all right. That gives us a better chance of winning the car.
Look at that hot rod.
Yeah. Let's do it.
You ready, bud?
Yeah! Very cool!
Getting the cars all situated, and yeah, it definitely rained last night. This is the giveaway car this year, 32 fiberglass Roadster, which is very similar to the first one that my mom won. Obviously not completed, but it's a roller with an engine.
Getting our video. Which one of them's gonna end up on their face?
Well, I've already bailed the floorboard out once in this thing. And it's been raining all day in here. And there's another couple inches of water on the floor again. A smart person would probably fix the issue, but... Well, we're starting to wrap things up. They're doing awards now. Rain's still coming down, as you can see. And yes, I do have my son's car's umbrella. But we're doing awards now, and they're gonna draw the car as soon as awards are done. So here we go. Well, we were over there just chatting away, and apparently they called the car drawing. Obviously we didn't win. They actually won it. They only had to draw one person, which is kind of unheard of. Normally people leave or whatever. But yeah, the first one they called won the car. So congratulations to that guy. And we'll be back next year. And I gotta say too, the Lexus seemed to be a big hit. And we drove it back and forth a couple miles from the fairgrounds each day. And it performed flawlessly. You know, granted it has a lot of work that still needs done to it. And I did, you know, notice a few issues with the tires rubbing and stuff like that. But other than that, I was super happy with it. And yeah, it's performing well. Well, that's going to be a wrap on Pumpkin Run 2021. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tune in next time.